Hello everyone, welcome to Vasoltar Prediction. Okay, first of all, if you want to book a one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to contact me for purchasing energized and activated bracelets and anklets, the details are given in the description box below. And third most important thing, if you want to have a Vastu session or consultation or energy consultation, at your workplace or at your home place, and if you wish to contact me, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so many of you have already asked me in live sessions and personally also how to recognize that whether the person is your twin flame or a soulmate or a karmic person, okay, or your like what kind of a relationship you are into with someone. Okay, so I am going to tell you how to calculate via numerology that a person is your twin flame or not, twin flame or a soulmate. Okay, so yeah, uh, let me get straight to the topic. Okay, if you wish to know that whether that person is your twin flame or not, then this procedure via numerology, okay, will help you to calculate the twin flame relationship with the help of numerology. Okay, so you will get to know from that onwards that that person is your twin flame or a soulmate. Okay, so yeah, okay, so in numerology there are four things important. Okay, the first is life path number. Okay, that depicts that the purpose of your life in this lifetime. Okay, like how you will live the life in this lifetime. Okay, the second is expression number, how other perceives you. Okay, how other thinks about you, what will be the others expression about you. Okay, thoughts about you. Okay, the third most important thing is soul urge number. Soul urge number is something which is a heart's desire. Okay, where you calculate your heart's desire, your soul purpose in this lifetime. And yeah, last number is birthday number. Okay, so birthday number is nothing like how is your personality and everything. Okay, so we need to focus on two things. We need to calculate your life path number for recognizing whether the person is your twin flame or not, and the second is soul urge number. What is the heart's, what is the soul's desire? You both have a same soul desire. Okay, so that's the important thing. Okay, so the first important thing is how to calculate the life path number. In many of the videos or in the personal readings, I do calculate life path number to know the desire or what's the life purpose in this lifetime of a person. Okay, so how to calculate the life path number is example I am going to show you. Okay, so suppose your date of birth. What is your date of birth? Okay, suppose for example the date of birth is 1st of February 2020. Okay, no, not 2020, let's say 9 2000. Okay, 2000. Okay, in the year 2000. Okay, so the first February 2000, 1st February 2000. Okay, so the day is first, the month is February, and the year is 2000. Okay, so now how to calculate the life path number? 1 first, 1 plus February. Okay, so 1 plus 0 plus 2. Okay, that is 3 plus 2000 year. You have to add all, like 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 2 plus 000. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so you have to do this. You have to add all your date of birth with each other, like you have to plus every digit. Okay, so you have to add every digit in. Okay, so I told you 1st of February 2000. Okay, so you have to calculate 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 2 plus 000. Okay, 0 plus 0 plus 0. Okay, you have to add all those things, so the number will come. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 4 and 5. Okay, 5 will be the digit. Okay, how come? Because I have added all the numbers. If there will be double digit, suppose 38. Okay, if 38 is the number you are getting, the total of your life path number, your date of birth, total is 38. Okay, so you have to add 3 plus 8 also. Okay, so 8, 9, 10, 11, 11 we get, okay, by adding. So 11 is equals to 1 plus 1. You have to add 11 also with each other. 1 plus 1. Okay, so that is 2. So your life path number will be 2. Okay, so you have to add everything to get into the single digit. So here I am getting the single digit only, that is 5. Okay, so yeah, 1st of February 2000, the life path number is 5. Okay, and the soul urge number, this is the life path number I have already calculated. Okay, now the soul urge number. How to calculate the soul urge number? Soul urge number means the heart's desire, what your soul wants in this lifetime. Okay, so you and your partner, your twin flame, will have the same soul urge number. Okay, the purpose of your soul. Okay, okay, so the soul urge number, what you have to do is that you have to add all the vowels. Okay, you have to remove all the consonants. Okay, you have to write your full name. Like suppose my name is Divya Jain. Okay, so Divya will have AEIOU. Okay, you have to take out all the vowels and you have to remove all the consonants. Okay, from Divya. Jain will also have a vowels. Take out all the vowels from Jain. That Jain is the surname. Okay, last name, and take out all the consonants away. Okay, we don't have any work with the consonants. We just need to have vowels with us. Okay, so vowels have a different kind of a number. Okay, from 1 to 9. Okay, so those number you have to allocate with those vowels. Okay, how to calculate those vowels with the numbers? I am going to share a link of calculating soul urge number in the description box below, in the comment box below also. So you can calculate your soul urge number by typing your first name, middle name if you have any, and the last name. Okay, so yeah, and you have to submit it. You will get your soul urge number. Okay, after in that link. Okay, so it is very easy to calculate. Okay, now once you get life path number and your soul urge number, you have to calculate your partners respective, like your respective partners, like whosoever you think that you have crush on, or you want that person in your life, or you feel that the other person, you want that you like someone, or your husband, anyone. Okay, you want to know that that person is your twin flame or soulmate. Okay, so you have to calculate their life path number also and their soul urge number also. Life path number, add all the date of birth with each other. Okay, even if you get double digit after adding all those date of birth, add that 2-digit numbers also with each other and you will get the single digit. Okay, so life path number you will calculate in that way. With soul urge number, I will share the link below in the description box or in the comment box below. You can calculate the soul urge number. So once you calculate the soul urge number and life path number of your partner, then how you will get to know that that person is your twin flame or not. Okay, so the life path number of yours and your partners will be the same. Okay, like suppose you are getting 5 life path number, like I calculated 1st February 2000. Okay, so my life path number was 5. Okay, and my partner's life path number will also be 5. Okay, so the life path number is same. Okay, now the soul urge number, suppose I got 3 is the soul urge number after calculation in that link below. Okay, you have to calculate that in the link below by typing the first name, middle name if you have any, and last name. You will get the soul urge number. Okay, so soul urge number I got suppose 3. Okay, and my partner's soul urge number is also 3. Okay, that means you have a serious twin flame connection. You have a real twin flame connection for sure. Okay, now suppose if you are getting your life path number is 2, your partner's life path number is 2, and if let's say your soul urge number is 8 and your partner's soul urge number is 7 or 6, or let's say any other number except 9 or something like that. Okay, like your soul number is 9 and your partner's soul number is 7, 8, 6, 5, 2, 1, anything. Okay, So in that case, that person is your soulmate, not a twin flame. Okay, like your life path number, yours and your partner's life path number is same. Okay, but soul urge number is different. Okay, both of you have a different soul urge number, or let's say you both have a soul urge number same, but you both have a life path number different. Okay, so either of the one will be different. Okay, that means 50% it is accurate and 50% it is not accurate. That means that 50% is there, like life path number, either life path number is the same or soul urge number is the same. That means that person is your soulmate, not a twin flame. Okay, if you get soul urge number same, if yours and your partners, and if you get life path number same, yours and your partner's number, then you are into twin flame connection or twin flame relationship. Okay, if you don't get soul urge number same, and if you have the similar life path number, then you are into soulmate connection 50%, because it is your 50%. Okay, like that person is your 50%. Okay, not complete twin flame. Okay, that person is your soulmate, just here to grow each other. Okay, so yeah, and yeah, in that way the soul urge number should be the same, the life path number should be the same of yours and your partners. Okay, and if that doesn't happen, and if only one thing is, if both doesn't, if both are not same, let's say life path number is also not same and soul urge number is also not same. Okay, that means that person is your karmic, you are into karmic relationship. Okay, so you will eventually get like this, like like suppose my life path number is 2, my partner's life path number is 3. Okay, not resonating, not same. Okay, and soul urge number is 5 and his soul urge number is 6. Okay, so that is also different. So both life path number and soul urge number are different of yours and your partners. That means you are into a serious karmic relationship. Okay, so yes, in this way we can calculate whether that person is your twin flame, soulmate, or a karmic for you. Okay, so yes, many of you have already asked me that whether that person is my soulmate or a twin flame, how to get to know it, or what are the symptoms or the characteristics. Okay, I have recently learned about it. That's why I wanted to make a video on this, that many of you via numerology can understand that that person is your, because if there is your twin flame will have, there will be only one twin flame. Each person in this earth have only one twin flame. Okay, in this lifetime or in any lifetime. Okay, and each and every person have their twins. Okay, it's not like that I will be having another person will not be having. No, that's not the case, because that person is your twin, your part of your soul. Okay, so every single person out there, whether that person has born, whether your twin has born in this earth or not, doesn't matter, but each and every person have your twin, each and every person have their twin flame connection. Okay, it just and that will be only one person. Okay, not everyone will be your twin flame, just one connection, just one person whose life path number and soul urge number matches like yours to your partners. Okay, like both should have the same life path number, both should have the same soul urge number. If both of you have the same numbers, trust me, that person is your twin flame, because and no one will get the same same numbers. Okay, it's very difficult, very 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 difficult, I can tell you that. Okay, so yes, okay, in that way you can calculate that that person is your soulmate or a twin flame or anything. Okay, this is the bestest and the easiest way to calculate that person is your twin flame or a soulmate or a karmic. Okay, so I've explained in brief. Try it out. In life path number you have to add all the birth day. Okay, like full date of birth you have to add. Okay, like suppose 27 August 1999. Okay, so 2 plus 7 plus 0 plus 8 plus 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. Okay, calculate it, whatever is the number, add that those two digits also, okay, then you will get the single digit, that will be your life path number. And if you really want to calculate your soul urge number, I'm going to share the link in the description box and in the comment box below. Type your first name in that link, last name, submit it, and if you have middle name, write it down, okay? In case not everyone have the middle name, okay? So type your first name, middle name if you have any, and last name, submit it, and take out your soul urge number. Then type your partner's full name, middle name if any, and last name, submit it. Then he will get his soul urge number. If both the soul urge number is same, yours and your partner's, then and if both your and your partner's life path number is also same, trust me, you are into a twin flame connection, okay? Because twin flame connection can never have it rarely happens that, you know, everyone's has the same number. Trust me, you will just get one, your twin flame connection, just one person will be the person who will get the same life path number and same soul urge number like yours, okay? He or she can be from any country internationally, or he can be a celebrity, or he or she can be anyone, okay? A singer, an actor, an politician, anyone, okay? So you never know. If you really want to know about that person is your twin flame or not, you can calculate it with the help of numerology, okay? This is the easiest way I can tell you, okay guys? Since many of you have already, you know, were in the tension whether that person is your twin flame or not, okay, this is the bestest and the easiest way to know that that person is your twin flame or a soulmate or a karmic, okay? So yeah, and if your life path number is not matching with your partner, and if your soul urge number is also not matching with your partner, trust me, you are into a karmic relationship, okay? Okay, so like, yeah, that's the thing, okay? So I hope you like this video. I hope this was a very informative video for all of you, okay? So yes guys, do it and let me know in the comment box whether you are dealing with a twin flame karmic relationship or a soulmate relationship. I would be glad and happy to know it. Calculate it by yourself, okay? And soul urge number, for calculating soul urge number, I have already written in the description box below and in the comment box below. You can check it out. You can go to that link and calculate your own soul urge number and your own your partner's soul urge number as well, okay? So bye bye guys, take care. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vasol Tarot Prediction. Bye bye guys, take care.